If you're a late adopter of smart TVs, picking up one of the best devices for streaming TV is going to be essential for a top-notch viewing experience. Whether you want to escape the cable company or to abandon the terrible interface that's built into your smart TV, a reliable streaming service is a beautiful thing. Roku, Apple, Google, and Amazon all make options that might be right for you, but figuring out which platform to go with can be a pain. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the descriptions below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Best features: Roku Ultra. Access thousands of entertainment apps with the all-new Roku Ultra HDR 4K UHD streaming media player. It will connect to the internet via its built-in Wi-Fi or Ethernet connectivity and is controllable via the included remote control, the free Roku app for Android or iOS, or your Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant device. You can connect it to your display via HDMI, supporting HDR10 and resolutions up to 4K UHD, and upscales 720p and 1080p content to UHD for an enhanced viewing experience. The Roku Ultra includes a pair of earphones you can plug into the remote for private listening. Set personal shortcuts using your voice for one-touch control, so you can do things like launching your favorite playlists, search for your favorite actor, or more with just a press. Use the USB port for local playback and add extra app storage with your micro SD card. Use the free Roku mobile app with your headphones and a compatible smart device to pump up the volume on your shows without disturbing the house. Best for gamers: Nvidia Shield. Stream your favorite media and play computer games with the 2019 Nvidia Shield Android TV Pro HDR 4K UHD streaming media player. It supports playback at up to 4K UHD resolution with HDR10 and Dolby Vision support for an enhanced viewing experience. The Shield Android TV Pro features 3 GB of RAM with 16 GB of storage, which is expandable via USB. It connects to your local network via Wi-Fi 5 or its Ethernet port and to your display via HDMI. It includes a remote control with a built-in microphone, which supports Google Assistant and Alexa functionality. Its 2 USB ports allow for storage expansion or peripherals, such as USB cameras, keyboards, controllers, and more. The Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos surround sound deliver vivid picture quality and immersive audio with compatible equipment and source media. Plus, the remote also features voice control, Bluetooth, IR control for your TV, and a built-in lost remote locator. Best smart home compatibility: Amazon Fire TV Cube. Enjoy HDR UHD streaming media content on any compatible display with the black Amazon Fire TV Cube. It provides access to content such as movies, TV shows, music, games, and more, plus access to premium services such as Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, Hulu, HBO, and more. This device supports video resolutions up to UHD 4K with HDR10 support and connects to your display via HDMI. For high-speed internet connectivity, the Fire TV is equipped with a dual-band 802.11a/b/g/n/AC Wi-Fi and includes an Ethernet adapter. Using Alexa voice technology, you can navigate the Fire TV Cube and search the web for additional information, such as the weather and sports scores, by merely speaking to it. The device's quad-core processor enables fast and fluid content browsing. It has 2 GB of RAM for multitasking and 16 GB of built-in storage. In addition to using the included voice remote control, you can also download the free Fire TV remote app for compatible Fire, Android, and iOS smartphones and tablets for enhanced control. Best value, Roku Stick. Access over 500 channels of entertainment with the Roku streaming stick. Its compact 0.5 by 3.3 by 0.8 inch design makes it suitable for attaching to wall mount displays. Once plugged into a display's HDMI port, the streaming stick will connect to the internet via its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and is controllable via the included remote control or an Android or iOS smart device app. Also, it relates to your display via HDMI, supporting resolutions up to 1080p, and upscales lower resolution content to Full HD for an enhanced viewing experience. The included voice remote lets you search for your chosen content by merely speaking to it and allows the control of your display's power and volume. You can access hundreds of live streaming and on-demand free channels, including the Roku channel. Its apps also let you cast to your display to enjoy your photos, videos, and music on the big screen. Best antenna DVR, TiVo Bolt OTA. The TiVo Bolt OTA lets you easily watch and record your favorite shows, access popular streaming apps, and more without having to switch inputs or juggle remotes. It comes with TiVo's time-saving, fan-favorite features that make watching everything you love even better. Also, it's skip mode, which saves you time by letting you skip ads with a tap, or quick mode, which enables you to find shows faster and zoom through the slow stuff. With one search, you can simultaneously search across all of them along with your recordings and live TV, so your favorites are never far away. Best budget, Roku Premiere. Access over 1,000 entertainment apps with the 2018 edition of the Roku Premiere streaming player. Once plugged into a display's HDMI port, the Roku Premiere will connect to the internet via its Wi-Fi and is controlled via the included remote control or an Android or iOS app. It outputs at up to 4K resolution with HDR on compatible displays for an enhanced viewing experience. The included remote control features service-specific shortcut buttons so you can find your service of choice in an instant. An HDMI cable is also included to provide instant connectivity. Whether you need a second remote or want more features and functionality, the Roku mobile app helps make it fun and easy to control your Roku player. You can search with your keyboard, use voice search, enjoy private listening with up to 3 friends, cast to your display, and more. Best overall, Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Enjoy streaming media content with HDR 4K UHD compatibility on any compatible device with the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K streaming media player. It provides access to content such as movies, TV shows, music, games, and more. You can also access premium services such as Netflix and Amazon Video. This device supports video resolutions up to 4K UHD and connects to your display via its integrated HDMI connector. For high-speed internet connectivity, it is equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi 5. Using Alexa voice technology, you can intuitively navigate apps and search the web for additional information, such as the weather and sports scores, by merely speaking into the included Alexa voice remote. In addition to using the included Alexa voice remote, you can also download the free Fire TV remote app for compatible Fire, Android, and iOS smartphones and tablets for enhanced control. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.